7 steps to getting an RGCC test. 1. You arrange an appointment with your doctor or contact one from our international network. 2. You visit your doctor for a blood test. 3. The blood sample is sent to our state-of-the-art laboratories. 4. Our scientists carry out a range of personalised tests on your sample to detect any potential early signs of cancer or monitor any existing cancer tumours. 5. We produce a profile of treatments that could benefit you. 6. We share your test results and profile with you and your doctor. 7. You and your doctor develop a personalised approach to your cancer diagnosis together.